Alright, so you can see I'm in the middle of a painting. So few steps are done. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the leaves. Just follow the procedures here. Okay, just put a straight line and then just put brush strokes like this as you follow me. Mhm. And take the color, put another stroke here. Okay, then the leaves going to be like this. Other one here, and the leaves like this. All right, another one you can see here, and the leaves you can see. Awesome. Okay, so for the last one you can see I'm putting the leaves here. Okay, it's because of the perspective. The trees which are closer at us and the tree which are distance, those are little bit smaller. The tree which are closer, those are going to be little bit bigger. And it's a bamboo slice frame, so a DIY frame, and the surface is not a plain surface, so the styles of the brush strokes will be little different on this canvas. Okay. All right, maybe some darker colors we're putting on the top. Okay, just to define the borders. Now we're going to put the birds flying here, from here to the sky. Okay, flying upward. The next one you can see also flying upward. The wings are little bit bigger, looks like the English letter V. All right, and the third one, just put it in a row. You can see the alphabetic B sign, then put the body of the bird. So all looks good. Just we're making the leaves a little taller and nice looking. There's the few details. Just each time we put the strokes, we need to finish it somewhere. All right, so this is, you can see. All right, now for the sun, we're going to use the white color to show the sun, and we're trying to make a round shape here. Let's put the color and make the round circle with the white color. Awesome. Okay, so this is more than necessary. All right, the painting is going to be as round as possible. Okay, and few parts we are going to put here as the part of the shadow for the tree. All right. Few borders with the branches of the tree. All right. Okay. And for the other tree, you can see I'm putting the details drawings here with the leaves. Mhm. So each tree is getting visually clear because of the shades we are putting here. And this is the last one we're doing. So the style of the brush strokes is going to be a little bit different here because of the canvas is not the plain textured, it has a rough surface. That's why we have to be follow a different style. Mm-hmm. All right, so this is the last one for the tree. Okay, now we are going to put the details on the birds. First you can see the flying wings. Awesome. And this is just a simple drawing. I hope you all can practice and you can draw better than that. Okay, so there's no limit for imaginations. Just do your own work and start the drawing and things are going to be fine. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.